Welcome, Shivika.
Thank you, sir.
So, finally ranked 300.
हाँ जी.
It has been a long struggle and dedication and focus.
Definitely, sir.
And I'm really proud of you. I've
Thank
seen you coming for classes, walking all the way. And how was your experience here at Raj IAS?
I think it was really good throughout during my daily classes that I have attended, and it was very educational, and I enjoyed it also because the way of teaching, every teacher has a certain one, and I enjoyed each and every one. And after that also because I have been in the library, so that has made a contribution.
So, I can claim it online that yes, you have been my classroom student for GS full course,
Yes,
for
sir.
CSAT, for optional subject, and for essay, and for test series,
Yes,
and
sir.
for everything.
Yes, sir.
You can say this with 100% conviction.
100%, sir.
Great. And the support that we provide outside the classroom, how do
Yes.
you judge it? Like, how do you rate it?
And I feel that every teacher here has been extremely supportive. Like I have come to you also during times when I felt quite low that I may not be able to clear it, and others also like Anuj sir. I've been to him also, so everyone motivated me
Alright.
throughout.
So, if you have to go back in time and remember, like, recall when you came here first time,
Yes.
and today when you are selected, and of course you remember my words. This is not the last name. Now we
Yes,
have to
sir.
go for one more attempt because, as far as I understand you and have seen you working so hard, top 10 is something that is meant for you, and you have been working with me not just as a student,
Yes,
but
sir.
from last 2 years we have been working in other capacities as well. You prepared some notes, you've been
Definitely,
working
sir.
on some back end things with us.
Yes, sir.
So in that case, what are the three best things and the three worst things that we have as an institution?
I feel the best things are that every teacher is equally determined to make their students understand everything. And I never felt that I'll be asking a question 10 times or 20 times and the teacher would say that, no, this is it.
All right.
So everyone is very determined. And second is that equally supportive on a personal capacity also and in the classroom also. And third is that again that one can go anytime and ask for any kind of test series or any kind of notes, and you would make it available at the earliest. Yes.
And three worst things.
I cannot think one right now.
Anything that comes to mind first. Okay, only one.
um, no, I think I have been overall very satisfied, sir.
All right. So, any word of advice for the future aspirants?
I would say that because I myself cleared it in the third attempt and I've seen my failures. And I believe that if I can do it and if you do it with equal determination and hard work and every effort, and I believe that you too can.
What is the importance of NCRTs according to you?
I think that NCRTs are the base for every subject. NCRTs, they form a major base. Like if we talk about ancient medieval also, there are questions that are coming from the maps in the NCRTs. So they are extremely crucial in this preparation. They should act as a base.
And I hope we covered the NCRTs.
Yes, sir, definitely.
Anything lacking in it?
No, sir, I don't think there's anything lacking.
All right. So, looking at you, sitting along with you from that first experience where I did your counseling
Yes,
to
sir.
today where we are sitting on the same table,
Yes,
on the
sir.
same side, it's a wonderful experience.
Equally
And I
same,
am
sir.
looking forward to your next result. And top 10 is something that I will not settle less than for. Right? Best of
Yes,
luck
sir. Thank you, sir.
and God bless you.
Thank you, sir.